Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to convert measurement units in Excel. But first of all, Fahrenheit to Celsius. What we do is we use a function called convert. Three arguments. The first argument is number. Number is the number you want to convert. There's our 80 Fahrenheit, comma. From unit gives you a list of units that you want to convert from. It's quite comprehensive. I found degree Fahrenheit there. Double click. And you can type that in if you prefer, but remember the quotation marks, comma, and then the 2 unit. You can see the list is a lot shorter because it only returns now the relevant 2 unit measurements. Now I want to choose degree Celsius. And again, I could have typed that in. Close the bracket, press enter, and there we are. I have the Celsius equivalent of 80 Fahrenheit. I want to get rid of the decimal place. I can do that in the normal way. Up here, 26.7. Obviously, if I change this 100 Fahrenheit, 37.8 Celsius. Feet, I can use a similar method. So convert. There's my number from unit. We'll search for feet in this list. And there we have it, foot, comma, and then I want to convert it to meter. Again, it's only returning the relevant units. So the top there for meter. Close the bracket, press enter. 20 feet is 6.096 meters. Finally, we do pints. So equals convert. 3 pints. My from unit is pint. So I search in this list for pint. There we have it, UK pint. And I want to convert it to litres. In this list I can see litre. Close the bracket and it does the conversion for me. This list, by the way, if you can't find the unit that you're looking for, just click on the name of the function and it will bring up a help file. Now this help file will either appear in the task pane within Excel or as a web page. And then if I expand measurement units, what it does is give you all the measurement units that you can use. And most of them are already in the lists that you get within the function. Okay, that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Subscribe if you have, and I'll see you next video.